Hi, my name's Ben. This is my 86 911 Turbo. I've had it for Valentine's weekend 2006 is when I bought it. I bought it up in Wisconsin, trailered it home. It's got full lightweight interior, Momo seats, Momo steering wheel, Wevo shifter, rim line aluminum floorboards, dashboard. My girlfriend and I recovered the seats and the door panels in black leather ourselves. The rear seats are gone. No insulation, no sound deadening. No wipers, no wiper controls. It's lightweight all the way through. There's nothing in it. No stereo, no speakers, no speaker wiring, no heat, no air. None of the AC's there anymore. None of the plumbing system for the heat's there. It's just two seats, steering wheel, 4 tires, turbo. It goes fast. Built motor, 3.4 liter, different cams, Andau intercooler, ported heads, ported intake, K27. Zork, blah blah blah. Electromotive twin plug ignition. It's in the back in the rear parcel shelf. But that's all I got right now.